If you had to speak English with a foreigner right now, would you freeze or would you speak with confidence?
Today, we're going to help you choose confidence every single time.
Welcome back to Simple English Space, your friendly place to learn, practice, and enjoy English without fear.
Today's lesson is called English Speaking Practice Lesson.
And this episode is packed with guidance, examples, questions, answers, and a quiz to help you grow.
Speaking English can feel scary for many learners. Maybe you're afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you think other people speak better than you. Maybe you feel shy or nervous or stuck. But here's something important. You only improve by speaking. And today, we'll help you practice step by step so English becomes easier, lighter, and more natural for you.
Yes, and this lesson is all about speaking practice. We'll give you phrases you can use today, not tomorrow. We'll also explore one example conversation, plus questions, answers, and a quiz to help you grow. By the end, you should feel ready to speak English in a real conversation, no matter your level.
When beginners try speaking, they often think, what if I say something wrong? What if they don't understand me? What if I forget vocabulary? These fears are normal, but they block progress. So, let me remind you of something simple. Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
Exactly. When a baby learns to walk, they fall many times. But nobody says, stop walking, you're bad at it. No, they keep trying. And we, language learners, must do the same. So let's start with some essential speaking tips.
Essential speaking tips. 1. Speak slowly. Don't rush. 2. Use simple words. You don't need big vocabulary. 3. Repeat phrases you know. They become stronger with practice. 4. Smile. It relaxes your body and mind. 5. Ask questions. This keeps the conversation alive. 6. Don't try to translate everything. Use simple English directly.
Great. Now let's move to our example conversation. Hi there. Is this seat taken?
Oh, no, you can sit here.
Thanks. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect for coffee.
True. What are you working on?
I'm reading an English book. I'm trying to improve my speaking skills.
Really? That's great. How often do you practice?
Not enough, maybe once a week.
Oh, I understand. Practice can be hard to fit into a busy schedule.
Yes. Do you have any tips?
Sure. Speak with friends, watch English videos, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Thanks, I'll try.
You can do it.
And so can you if you're practicing too.
Let's now talk about how to improve your speaking naturally. 1. Practice with small conversations. Practice simple questions like, how are you? Where are you from? What do you like to do?
2. Use daily English. For example, can I order this? How much is it? Where is the bus stop?
3. Practice shadowing. Repeat what native speakers say. This helps with pronunciation.
4. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast. I'm cleaning my room. I'm preparing for work.
5. Speak even if you're nervous. Courage grows after you speak, not before.
Let me tell you something very important. Your English is better than you think it is. Most learners underestimate themselves. But every word you say, every sentence you try, those are victories.
And please remember, nobody is judging your English. People are usually happy that you're trying to speak their language. That takes courage. So don't hide your English. Use it, show it, improve it. Question 1. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually read books or watch English videos. Sometimes I go for a walk to relax my mind. I also practice speaking English by talking to myself or repeating sentences from movies. It helps me stay comfortable using English every day.
Question 2. Where do you live?
I live in a small but comfortable neighborhood. It's quiet and the people are friendly. There's a park nearby where I can walk, read, or practice English by listening to podcasts. Living there helps me feel relaxed and focused.
Question 3. Why do you want to improve your English?
I want to improve my English because it opens many opportunities. Work, travel, meeting new people, and understanding more of the world. English helps me communicate confidently with people from different countries, and that feels exciting.
Question 4. What is your biggest challenge in speaking English?
My biggest challenge is fear. Fear of making mistakes and fear of not being understood. But I'm trying to overcome this by practicing more and reminding myself that mistakes are normal. Every time I speak, I learn something new.
Question 5. How do you practice English every day?
I practice English by listening to podcasts, reading short articles, and speaking with friends when I can. I also write short sentences about my day. These small habits help me improve slowly but surely.
1. Speaking English gets easier when you A. Practice regularly. B. Wait until you are perfect. Answer A. Practice regularly. 2. When you make a mistake, you should A. Stop speaking. B. Learn from it. Answer B. Learn from it. 3. One good way to practice speaking alone is A. Talking to yourself in English. B. Avoiding English completely. Answer A. Talking to yourself in English. 4. A simple way to learn pronunciation is A. Shadowing. B. Staying silent. Answer A. Shadowing. 5. To start a conversation, you can say A. Go away. B. Hi, how are you? Answer B. Hi, how are you? Wow, what a wonderful session today. If you've stayed with us until this point, it means you truly want to grow, and we're so proud of you. Speaking English is not just about words or grammar, it's about confidence, courage, and connection. Every time you practice, even for 5 minutes, you are moving closer to the English speaker you want to become.
And remember, your journey doesn't have to be perfect. No language learner is perfect. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is that you are trying, learning, and improving. The most successful learners are not the smartest, they are the ones who don't give up.
We hope today's questions, example conversation, and quiz help you practice more confidently. You can repeat this lesson anytime. Use the phrases, answer the questions again, or shadow our voices. Make this your safe space to grow.
You are capable. You are improving. And you can speak English well, step by step, word by word, day by day.
Thank you for joining us in Simple English Space. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next episode. And remember,
Every time you speak, your English gets stronger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.